One of the most common questions homeowners ask before replacing windows or doors is how long the process actually takes. In most cases, the timeline depends on the manufacturer. Many standard orders typically take about 3 to 4 weeks from final measurement to delivery. Once materials arrive, installation is scheduled based on the first available safe weather window. For most homes, installation speed depends on the number of openings and site conditions. A professional crew can realistically install about 7 to 10 windows per day under normal conditions. A medium-sized project of 14 to 20 windows often takes around 2 days, while a full home with approximately 30 windows may take up to 3 days in ideal conditions. These timelines are efficient estimates and can vary based on complexity, structural issues, or weather. During installation, crews typically work in a controlled sequence, often completing sections of the home before moving on to the next. The goal is to minimize exposure and maintain comfort inside the home throughout the process. Weather is always a key factor. If rain occurs, work depends on whether the opening is actively exposed. Crews may pause, protect the area, or adjust sequencing to ensure no part of the home is left vulnerable. Understanding this process helps homeowners plan realistically and avoid surprises while improving comfort, efficiency, and long-term home performance. For estimates, installation questions, or to schedule a consultation, contact EuroAlign directly at 706-426-1082 or visit euroalign.com.